The 2026 Ford Super Duty isn't just an update, it's a deliberate response to what contractors, farmers, and fleet operators actually need. Ford has engineered 6 significant improvements that reinforce why this truck remains the benchmark in the heavy-duty segment. Let's explore what makes these changes matter for anyone serious about their work. 6. SuperCab short bed configuration. For years, customers requested something the market wasn't delivering: a SuperCab paired with a short bed. Ford was listening. In 2026, this configuration finally arrives with a 148-inch wheelbase, combining an extended cab with a 6.75-foot bed. This matters because it delivers genuine maneuverability without compromising practicality. Consider the reality of tight job sites and congested urban environments. A full crew cab can feel cumbersome when you're navigating packed construction zones or parallel parking in limited space. The SuperCab short bed solves this tension. The shorter wheelbase improves agility and turning radius significantly, making it considerably easier to handle in confined areas where longer trucks struggle. Yet the towing capability remains intact. This configuration can still manage substantial loads and pull heavy trailers effectively, making it ideal for operators who prioritize performance and practicality over extra passenger room. This isn't about sacrifice, it's about intelligent balance. 5. Advanced towing capabilities. The 2026 Super Duty establishes new towing benchmarks across multiple configuration types. With a gooseneck setup, it can pull up to 40,000 pounds of loaded trailer weight. That represents 20 tons of raw pulling power, approaching commercial-grade truck territory. Fifth-wheel configurations handle 35,000 pounds, while conventional hitch setups manage 30,000 pounds comfortably. Anyone who regularly tows heavy equipment understands the genuine concern about load balance and weight distribution. Ford removes this uncertainty completely through onboard scales and intelligent hitch technology that monitor payload and tongue weight in real time. If adjustments become necessary, the system alerts you instantly, ensuring safety and regulatory compliance without requiring stops at weigh station. ProTrack's backup assist 2.0 handles, trailer reversing with genuine sophistication. Turn a knob in your intended direction, and the truck steers automatically, eliminating the coordination challenge that frustrates many drivers. Trailer navigation accounts for your trailer's actual size and weight, intelligently routing around low bridges, restricted roads, and sharp turns that could create problems. With payload capacity reaching up to 8,000 pounds depending on configuration, the Super Duty remains the definitive choice for contractors, farmers, and anyone regularly hauling serious weight. It delivers unmatched capability across every legitimate work scenario. 4. Off-road package with standard output diesel. Off-road enthusiasts faced a real limitation. Choose between the 7.3-liter Godzilla gas V8 or spend considerably more for the high-output 6.7-liter Power Stroke diesel. The middle ground didn't exist until now. For 2026, Ford introduces the Tremor with the standard output 6.7-liter Power Stroke diesel, producing 475 horsepower and 1,150 pound-feet of torque. This engine hits a practical sweet spot between raw gas engine horsepower and extreme diesel muscle. When you're navigating rocky trails or powering through challenging terrain, what matters most isn't peak horsepower, it's low-end torque that responds immediately. The standard output diesel delivers exactly that capability, providing serious pulling power at low engine speeds while saving thousands compared to the high-output variant. The Tremor package maintains its upgraded components: lifted suspension, advanced shocks, and rugged all-terrain tires engineered for genuine off-road capability. For contractors who need both off-road performance and dependable towing to transport gear back to the job site, this setup delivers that balance without unnecessary expense. 3. Advanced design integration. The 2026 Super Duty communicates strength and purpose before you examine any specific component. Its commanding front grille serves practical function beyond aesthetics. It intelligently channels airflow to cool the powerful engines beneath, while making an unmistakable visual statement about this truck's capability. The proportions reflect genuine engineering thoughtfulness: a long hood accommodating substantial engines, a tall stance providing extra ground clearance for challenging terrain, and flared fenders that accommodate wide tires for improved towing stability. Every design element serves practical purpose. Heavy-duty tow hooks handle serious recovery operations. The bed incorporates multiple tie-down points and available LED lighting for nighttime work situations. The Tremor off-road package intensifies its aggressive appearance through lifted suspension, larger tires, and distinctive badging that signals capability. Ford offers paint selections spanning from practical work truck colors to premium metallic finishes, rivaling luxury vehicles. Standard LED lighting delivers a modern, sophisticated visual edge that differentiates it from competitors. The resulting design balances rugged toughness with refined sophistication effectively. Whether transporting equipment through muddy work sites or parked outside a business establishment, the Super Duty looks appropriately capable. 2. Advanced powertrain selection. The 2026 Super Duty's engine lineup establishes clear segment dominance through genuine diversity. 4 distinct powertrains allow buyers to align their truck precisely with their workload requirements. The lineup begins with the 6.8-liter V8, producing 405 horsepower and 445 pound-feet of torque, delivering substantial muscle for entry-level applications. Step up to the 7.3-liter Godzilla V8 and performance rises noticeably to 430 horsepower and 485 pound-feet of torque. This naturally aspirated powerhouse is renowned throughout the industry for its smooth, predictable power delivery and exceptional reliability. Fleet operators particularly value the Godzilla because its straightforward design with fewer complex components translates directly into lower maintenance costs throughout the truck's lifecycle. The 6.7-liter Powerstroke diesel V8 provides 2 performance levels. The standard output version delivers 475 horsepower and 1,150 pound-feet of torque. The high output model pushes capability to 500 horsepower and 1,200 pound-feet of torque, figures that genuinely rival semi-truck powertrains. No competitor in the heavy-duty segment matches this engine diversity. 1. Established reliability standards. The 2026 Super Duty builds directly on Ford's decades-long reputation for unmatched durability. These trucks are engineered specifically to withstand hundreds of thousands of miles of demanding work, and they consistently prove this dependability in actual field conditions where reliability matters most. The 7.3-liter Godzilla Gas V8 earns consistent praise for its reliability, specifically because its straightforward, naturally aspirated design incorporates fewer components that might fail. Fleet operators regularly report these engines delivering reliable service across multiple years of heavy daily workloads, with remarkably minimal issues requiring attention. The 6.7-liter Powerstroke diesel demonstrates equal dependability. Refined progressively across multiple generations, it delivers even greater strength and longevity than earlier versions, benefiting directly from years of continuous real-world testing and engineering improvement. Downtime costs money, and the Super Duty's reliability translates directly into more productive working days and less lost revenue. Fleet owners consistently document minimal repairs, keeping their trucks in service and productivity high. If you work with trucks professionally or operate substantial equipment, the Super Duty deserves serious consideration. Subscribe to stay updated on heavy-duty truck capabilities and real-world performance information. Thank you for watching.